for black theology, everything that affects black lives is theological. So in other words, Brenda Fassie is theological material. Just like, who's this guy who sings Aspelelang? Caspar Nyovest is theological material. Just like Yuma Sikela is theological material. But so is Zeitzim Da, the novelist, is theological material. That's what James Cone has taught me. So it's not so much just the intergenerational and generational issues. There is nothing that affects human beings that falls outside theology. Of course, you will bring your Bible, you will bring your systematic theology, you will bring your missiology, depending on where you come from. But all of life as we live it is material for our theologians.